welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have L.A. Lewis. Now, L.A. Lewis is explaining that he will be suing Andrew Olness and Arrest Chang. Allegedly, he's saying that they're preventing him from going to England as he's now a flight risk, and that really hurts to know that before he was able to fly to go anywhere he wanted to go, and now he is not able to do so. So he's having a rough time. So go and catch the video, and please like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video.
Andrew Wallace mash up people. People, make a sue Andrew Wallace, make a sue Oriel Strong people. No. Oh, you have to ban me from God England and put the emperor people. Who the civil can flight risk a white me wear every day people. So people, that's why I tell you said, I say even me just want to find out who write that letter there and send to the embassy them and send to the airport, send to everybody. People. Them people that follow me up, you know, on the seat. What do you know? Them stress me out. Now they want to stress me out again. People don't tell me everything is right. And then, at the end of the day, anyway, I got my people them, so if I'm going to fly out tomorrow, people, I don't know what it is. I should have gone, I should have left Jamaica people from Wednesday gone. But guess what now? Andrew Holness people. And him look a thief in friend them. Run Ghana, England. For say them are going to look perks. Them are going to look big up. Them are going to look limelight. People, nobody no busy with Andrew Holness. If I want me, nobody not take a picture of Andrew Holness. Any picture Andrew Holness get to the England people, and it's a selfie or a Babsy Granger or a selfie use fear one of phone. They say Andrew pose. Or he might go pay somebody to him that want to look away and him see my picture. People, Charles don't want to see Andrew Wallace, he never want to see. People, the last time Prince Charles come to Jamaica, LA Lewis him come check. The picture of them is there to prove it. Hold on if you want to see it. Let me see. Because I don't know which door Andrew fly come in the people. Run Ghana, England. People at my space. Andrew say I'm going to take England the people. This is not a joke thing, people. Nobody want to see Andrew in England people. See there? Andrew Ghana, England people. Black flight for God, England. For the emperor. And I know nobody knows Andrew Wallace. BBC, me not hear nobody. And me, Yolanda them call this morning. And me, Cat Raider them call. And Andrew Wallace, and me, Cat Raider them call. England, I can be them call. But in England, I me them call. Even Jay-Z people, the rapper. And me, Jay-Z call. And Andrew Holness. People. Let me see if I find some picture. Because I don't want to believe a joke. People, when me and the Royals have a par, Andrew Holness still does Spanish on the push and cat before Juliet Holness find him. And me help Andrew Holness win the election, people. And Andrew Holness and grateful people. And grateful more than Andrew Holness I can't find people. See that people? Oh, sorry. I mean Lennox Lewis that. Before him beat Mike Tyson. You understand? See Babsy Granger before she get ungrateful. Them time yeah, when me and Babsy Granger par, see the minister of Russia and the French ambassador, see me and the middle between the Russian ambassador and the French ambassador there. I see Babsy Granger on the right, the people, see that? That's before my locks grow tall, people, see that? And Babsy Granger come get ungrateful now, people. You see how long me and Babsy Granger par, them time the Andrew Holness still does Spanish on people push and cat. See that people, this is me and Charles that the earlier days. See that people when me the braid up. Feature and all, see Barbara glued on there. And them and a cut and paste picture, people, see that? Them time down Prince Charles, there with my good friend named Susan Fang. You understand? And Joe Wall is not there now in the politics, them telling the people. And me and Siago, them a part of them telling the people. Me and Barbara Gludan, them telling Babsy Grange. They on the sideline with Siago and Mixup kill her so she thief her man. So that's what me tell Juliet. Said Juliet, watch Babsy Grange. Babsy Grange love thief people, man. See that? Them telling the people, and when me and Siago a part of the people. See me and Prince Charles that. And Barbara Gludan up on the flank. See there, when you see Barbara Gludan, up on the flank. Barbara Gludan never know Anja Wallis. Miss Lou Covalin know Anja Wallis. And people, Anja Wallis ban him and the Orius strong people. Listen me, people. Me never they gonna do no show about it. Me just a wallet people. But the time I get closer, people, and I'll make try, people, I'll make try. Me have a look at shipping people, but the ship is going to take too long for reach England, people. You understand? 3 to 4 day time, people, because one of them look at fast speed boat, the people. People, the man them put the M people, that's why I forgot have more than a plane, the people. Them liberty would they take the big empire, so I may have to take over the country, people. People, this morning, when I prep over Anja Wallis page, people, and I see the comment of the people, I say, Anja, we don't want you back at Jamaica. Go bury yourself for the Queen. Long live Anja. Go kill yourself. Go bury yourself for the Queen, Anja. We don't want you back here. You mash up the economy. People, the government, people, they probably delete it off them page. Tell you them bad for that, you know. Me there people, me not tell them, and I vex through me gone at the Queen funeral people. But after see how much years me fly people, me in a submarine, me do everything I leave the island and upon the island. And at an important time like this, people. You know some say me just go England people from reach airport people. Nobody now remember about people, Prince Charles people. Anja Wallis, him and Babsy Grange said them want God that. I don't know no Babsy Grange just love run down funeral. Anyway, funeral the Babsy Grange God, you know. That's why when I tell you, say, my boy don't have Moby there, him not dead. And Babsy Grange don't want to go for him funeral too. And people, tomorrow, I bet $1 billion say, when Babsy Grange got the funeral Monday and Anja Wallis, nobody now go look on them. Any picture we're going to take of them and Anja Wallis, we're going to do a click with them on a selfie. Better Joan Gardner Webley to go up there. At least something that go on. Oh, Jesus. People me vex, me not tell lie. It hurt my feelings. Yeah, I threw the cars at people, so I sweat me a sweat, so yeah, son. So I don't want to be a cry, me cry, like some vex when I go to England people, but it burn me people. Yeah, son. I say I never go do no show about it. You know, say, oh no, this, oh me I avoided people, but as the time I get closer, it just hurt me at people. Why these people keep on taking set for me? Through me in a white, them people look like 4 leg. True, every day I get up in a white, Anja Wallis believes me a 4 leg. You want Babsy Grange, I know Orius strong people come join the bandwagon. Listen me, Orius strong. Babsy them know about Wobia. You don't know about it, you know. So kindly go take your seat back and sit down, Orius strong. Come out of this war with me.